suppose I had the opportunity to have a little bit of a break from traditional building and do some work in a workshop in Auckland, doing specialist construction and installation for art galleries and museums and such. I guess it really sung to me, you know. I resonated with the meticulous work and fine attention to detail. And yeah, that's had a huge impact on building. You know, after that, when I came back to it, it was really taking that work and moving forward with it and applying it into residential and, you know, commercial building. So I've had a chance to use the new Paslode TrimMaster. Yeah, it's great. A few things really stood out to me. It's, as always with Paslode guns, it's nice and light, it's not too heavy. The grip feels really nice, makes it easy to get the job done. This room we're sitting in, for example, the hemlock ceiling, having a tool such as the new TrimMaster was really, really handy. Obviously, especially when you're doing a ceiling, working upside down, you want something that's going to be reliable and consistent. We really found that it was the best tool for the job by a long shot. And yeah, really made the process quite easy. Over the years, I've had a lot of experience using a Paslode gear and also other branded guns, you know, especially in my time working in London, you know. I can say without a doubt that nothing compares to the Paslode framers or finishing guns. They always feel the best in every way. Weight, consistency and reliability. And having used pretty much every other gun out there, I would only ever buy a Paslode.